Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about the very commonest vitamin deficiency, which is vitamin D deficiency. This vitamin D deficiency is very commonly seen in India just because in urban areas people spend their most of the time indoors, and whenever they go outside they wear sunscreens. So these factors affect the absorption of vitamin D, which we naturally get from sunlight. And let me tell you one thing very surprisingly, that vitamin D is not just only helpful for your bone density and overall your muscle, but it also affects your mood, your mental health, and of course your immunity also. So let's dive in detail about the signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency, and also we will get to know at the end of this video that how you can fix this vitamin D deficiency naturally. Before jumping into the signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency, we will first talk about what is this vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, and it is helpful in maintaining your overall health. Like, it maintains your immune system, it is helpful for your bone density, it is helpful for your muscles power, and it is crucial vitamin which helps in absorbing calcium. So now let's talk about vitamin D deficiency signs and symptoms. The very basic symptom that patient come and tell us that they are having a recurrent fatigue. Even after a good night's sleep, they are not able to wake up with energized mood, and they are not able to do their routine daily work. So this tiredness and fatigue is also a very commonest sign of vitamin D deficiency. The next commonest sign is pain. The people who are suffering from vitamin D deficiency, they always have muscle cramps just because calcium is not getting properly absorbed. So it is very commonly seen that muscle cramps in patients. So another one is leg pain, neck pain, and then overall body pain. This is very commonly seen in vitamin D deficiency. If you seems to catch a very commonest symptom even after changing weather, so this could be a sign that your immune system is not playing its role properly. And vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining your immune system. And the deficiency of this vitamin may lead you to the recurrent infection, cold, fever, and all of this. So to maintain your overall health, vitamin D is very important. If your hairs are getting thin, if you are having a hair fall, then you need to check your vitamin D level. And if you are deficient in vitamin D, then you have to go to your doctor and get proper supplements. And if you are not able to go and get proper supplements or get proper treatment, then this video is for you. We are further going to discuss about how you can fix your vitamin D deficiency naturally. Now, the very good news about the vitamin D deficiency is that you can fix it naturally and free of cost and very easily. So very basically you need to spend 10 to 30 minutes in natural sunlight. Sunlight is a major source of vitamin D, and this will fix your vitamin D deficiency. In case of food, I would recommend milk or dairy product for vitamin D deficiency. Then fortified juices, orange juices are there which also contain vitamin D, but you have to check out those brand and contents. Then you can go for fortified cereals, those also contain vitamin D. And of course, if needed, you can go for supplements, which is the easiest way to recover from this deficiency. You need to go and consult your doctor and get your supplements. Thank you.